Every one of na yen concern for emwa ye kwa na chese beto dwa se o manfo dodo no a wo sikabum na wode akwa akosie no sese bibi de haircut ye ba so tiranye ya wo kwa sikabum ade to kwanya de se wonsa ebeka na campaign faso a ususu se ubenya no wonsa atumi aka na opanyini ba kwa ye mrani mu ni ono no ankrankra djuma e na wo ye Martin Kpebu watimi aboaboa eye nipa ba ye ahenu ano ya wo nyina no wode won sika akwa akoto baabia no wose wo ye investment just a bond wo mu obi a sese ya kaka kra bi no mu tiate o mu kiremu a ne nkrofo no se haircut no nya de se wo no mo panti no e wo so ye nchechire de mo na aban no so etie ne awoka
Martin Kpebu se sese wodi enipa bese ahenu enim ama womo akotena se ene aban aka sebeyi a individual bondholders a aban ede to dwa e wo debt exchange program ne mu no obetwam esanse womo sika wode ebiebie enwuma ede hye enwuma mu wompese eso ebetie ebra wokasa e wo JFM SMS dwumadie so ene wode to dwa se woni aban etena se eka na se enhyehyeye a wode betu dwa no aban anya ntomudi a wode aban ebekwa akogina court enim sebeyi a court ebetimi edi asem no ama wo mu esanse enhyehyeye aban ede atudwa no ebeha edwadifuo esikasem bebre.
Yeah, so it has to do with the debt exchange, right? You know, government is invited them to tender in their bonds and to take new ones, that 12 new bonds that the government intends to issue. And we are saying that no, they are not interested because they are going to lose a lot. Effectively, this haircut. Yeah. They don't want any haircut. They just want to get their money back. They want the money to be delivered to them at the initial maturity, what was agreed upon at the time they bought their bonds. Like, for instance, about 4 billion of the bonds are maturing next month, right? Yeah, so those who want to use their money for other things want to cash out and do those other things, right? Yes. And then so they just don't want any new extended maturities. And if you look at the invitation, government will pay about 15%, kokwasa. No. The clients are not interested.
That's interesting. So how many clients do you have?
So far, there are about 250.
Wow.